Welcome back, everyone, and today we're going to be doing P. And this one I was kind of excited for. I played Portal quite a lot as a kid. After sanding, I went ahead and added a black background to get started. Then I had the last minute decision to start with another key as well. Here I am sketching the blue side of the Portal logo. And for our second key, I decided to do the orange side of the Portal logo so we had a little portal action going on. I went ahead and did some touch-ups and added another coat off camera, and here's the result. I think they turned out pretty neat. What do you guys think? And what should I do next?